In 2023, the Federal Reserve announced broad availability of the FedCash E-Manifest Service to all financial institution customers of the Federal Reserve banks and their servicing armored carriers. This is part of the Federal Reserve's commitment to advancing a more efficient and resilient cash supply chain through cash visibility. With the adoption of GS1 standards for cash supply chain logistics and package tracking, armored carriers, on behalf of their financial institution customers, are sharing information in real time at Federal Reserve docks. They do this by replacing paper manifests with a technology that enables scanning and an electronic exchange of data. When one financial institution, BankNorth, learned that their servicing armored carrier had onboarded with the Federal Reserve's E-Manifest Service, they were excited to get involved too.
Words like efficiency and paperless and words that when you're in operations, those are keywords that you're always looking for and paying attention. How can we make processes more efficient? How can we make things better for our employees in our branches? And because if they spend less time doing those processes and those things, they have more time to focus on our customers.
By taking a few simple steps, BankNorth quickly prepared their organization to become an early adopter of the E-Manifest service.
Working with that armored car service, they really took that E-Manifest and they dove into it for us. It was very easy for us. They did the heavy lift and it just simplified our side of it. It was a very seamless process. It has simplified our steps to make our deliveries from our car service much more streamlined. It's a very quick process now. They come in with their scanner and they scan the bag and we sign and they're out the door. It's been very nice to just kind of simplify that process. It's great to be able to be efficient and keep going with our day. It doesn't interrupt us much at all.
I just think of the paperwork that they had to complete previously. They asked for the logbook, take the shipment bag, scan the barcode on that, have the branch sign, and out the door they go. It was less than 30 seconds.
Connect with the Federal Reserve today for more information about the E-Manifest service and reach out to your armored carrier to see if they are ready to support your institution's adoption of the E-Manifest service for currency deposits and orders.
I would highly recommend any financial institution reach out to your armored carrier service to find out how they can help you get started in getting onboarded into the E-Manifest service, because our armored carrier service made it so easy for us.
Visit frbservices.org to learn more about the E-Manifest service and to complete an expression of interest form. The Federal Reserve's E-Manifest Readiness Program team will connect with your organization and guide you through the steps to support your adoption of the E-Manifest service.